Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to get your Wise virtual card. Basically, guys, the virtual card on Wise is pretty much a virtual card that you can't have it in your hands, but you can use it, you can have their affirmations, and you can put your money inside of it. But in general, the card is not digital, so it's not really physical, so you can't really receive it, and they can't really send it to your house. So basically, how to get that? You only have to go first to your Google Chrome or any kind of browsers, and then go to the URL section and search for Wise. Here, as you can see, guys, you will have to log into your account if you don't have one. Just create one, which is a pretty simple method. Use your email password and then your phone number. You will receive a code, and then that's it. Your account will be created. So, in order to get your cards, first of all, guys, you will need to be in one of the countries that accept Wise cards. So, how to see and how to join, you can just click here to join the waitlist if your like country is not in it, but overall you just have to put it in here in which country do you live in, and just like so you can finish that. But if you were in one of these countries, basically or like you want to be in one of these countries like using VPN, you can just for example use VPN, for example Ola VPN, which is an extension of Google Chrome, which will allow you to actually see this page. So after that, you just have to click into get started. Let's go, personal account, fill these informations, and make sure, guys, that these informations are correct. Because they will ask you for verifications and the card ID card, passport, etc. After that, they know that everything is correct, you can go here and you can just click on a button that shows you create my virtual card. So you'll get your virtual card and you can get up to 3 virtual cards, and you can for example delete one and get another one, and so go on. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.